Here is the Kia Seltos. Let's replace the hatch struts. Open up the hatch. Now there's a strut on each side. Exact same process for both the sides. You will need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. If it's too big, too thick, it will not work because we have to get the screwdriver right underneath that clip there and then pull it out from that locked position. The clip may want to snap back into the locked position, so be patient. It may take you a couple attempts. Get the screwdriver underneath there and then pry it out. At this point, first just push up on the hatch a little bit, get load off the strut, then grab the strut, twist it a little bit, and it'll come off the ball. Now repeat the process on the other side. Get this clip off and get the strut off the ball. Check the link in description to buy the new struts from Amazon. If your clip is already the lock position, it's easy. It just automatically unlocks and locks itself when you press it back on the ball. But if your clip is in the unlock position, it does not automatically go back in the lock position. Don't worry, just use the screwdriver to gently push it back in there. And that's it, one clip on each side, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.